Solving trigonometric equation, worksheet 2 solutions. Solve for x in the interval 0 to 360 degrees or 0 to 2 pi. So we have a quadratic equation here in sign. So let's factor this and write it in factored form. So we're looking for two numbers whose product should be p and q should be 2 times 3, which is 6, and the sum should be equals to minus 7. The two numbers are 6 and 1 gives you 6, but if both are negative, they give you sum of minus 7. So that is the key to our solution. So we can split this number 7 in between and write the equation as sine square x minus 6x 6 sine x minus sine x plus 3 equals to 0, right? Now we'll combine the first two terms and we get 2 sine x common from there. We're left with sine x minus 3, and here we'll take minus common. We get sine x minus 3 equals to 0. Now sine x minus 3 is common to us, right? And we can factor out 2 sine x from the first term and minus 1 from the second, right? So that gives us possibility of two answers. One is sine x minus 3 equals to 0. That gives us sine x equals to 3. Well, sine x can maximum be 1, right? So that does not exist. So that is not a possible solution, right? Now let's figure out about the other equation, which is 2 sine x minus 1 equals to 0. That gives us a solution as sine x equals to half, correct? Well, that is a possible solution, right? So sine x is half where? Sine x is half, that is plus half, in two coordinates, here and here, right? You remember the cast rule? So cast rule is this, right? So sine is, all are positive in quadrant 1 and sine is positive in quadrant 2. So we got two possible solutions. Sine x of half. Now if you remember, half is a familiar triangle to us, right? So that is 60, 30, 90 triangle, correct? In this triangle, if I write base, this is 1, 2, square root 3, correct? And that is 60 degrees. And this is 30 degrees, correct? Sine is half, that means 1 over 2. And we're talking about 30 degrees here. Therefore, we get the related acute angle here as 30 degrees. So the other angle, this is 30. So our answer will be 30 degrees and this, which is 180 minus 30. So that gives us two possible solutions. Okay? So the two possible solutions for us are 1, 30 degrees, and the other one is 180 minus 30, right, which is 150 degrees, correct? So these are the two solutions for our question. It is a good idea to plug these values in the equation and check your solution, okay? So you do that part, check yours. Sometimes you may not get the right answers, correct? Okay, thank you.